Hi everybody, so today I thought I'll do a video on something very important, something that is going to be useful for all of us, and that is how to make a face mask. Now that after lockdown 2.0, now it's become mandatory that everyone wears a mask whenever you're going out. So I will try to show you a tutorial, and I'll also do it right now, how to do a mask. So this is just any cotton cloth is fine. So I just have this scrap cloth. Since I'm at home and I'm not in my boutique, I don't have that many scraps out here, so I just found a piece of cloth. So I'll just show you the dimensions as well. So what I have here is a scrap piece of cloth, and if you see the dimensions, this is like quite a bit of length, around 16 inches, and if you see the width, it is around roughly 7 inches. So this should be sufficient to cover the mouth area. So what I do is I'll just even out these edges because it's just a scrap that I had. Pretty much I have evened it out. So what I'm going to do now is take it to my machine, and I'm going to stitch on this side. This is the wrong side of the garment, as you can see. So I'm going to stitch on the short edge out here, and then it's going to look something like this, right? And after that I will also stitch around this side and this side. So let's go to the machine now. So now we are going to just stitch the sides, the short edge of now what I do is I have shifted this stitch that I made to the center of the fabric, as you can see, and now we need to seal the other two edges which is the sides of the mask basically. So one thing we have to do is attach strings to the mask. So I have made these kind of strings which are like, really thin strings, which you can make beforehand. I made it with the same fabric. So what I'm going to do is I have inserted the string to a corner of this fabric, and I'm going to now stitch it. So we need 4 such strings for 4 corners. So that's what I'm going to do now. Once one side is completely stitched and all the strings are there, you just push the string into this. It's almost like a like a pocket. So you just push it inside and keep it inside and work on the other side. So the other side basically again push the strings into this pocket like thing, and attach it to the other side, the edge, the corner. Make sure that one of the things to make sure is leave a little gap in the center portion so that you can flip it over once the whole thing is done. So this portion, this gap, we don't have to worry because we are going to add pleats, and that pleats are going to actually seal it off, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and similarly do the other side. So now we have a sort of a pillow-like structure, as you can see. So basically what we need to do is we've left a small gap in one side, as you can see. So I'm just going to flip it over. So I have now flipped it over and I have ironed it, and this is how it actually looks. So as you can see, all the strings have nicely come out, and this is the back side of the mask where the stitch line is actually there. So what we are going to do is now simply add 2 pleats onto the front side of the mask, and that that should keep the sides of the mask quite snug. So that's what we're going to do next. So I'm just going to add these 2 plates now. I'm going to go over the edge because I want a slightly stronger stitch, so I'm just going to go over the edge. So this is the finished mask. I have put 2 plates on both the sides, and now it is testing time, so I'm just going to put it on and show you. So it's kind of fashionable mask. So you tie the top half. So there you go, that's your DIY mask. Anyone who can do basic stitching can actually do it, so I'm sure some of you can try this at home, especially with simple things that you have at home. So stay safe, stay stylish. So that was the mask tutorial. If you have any comments or if you try your own mask, please let me know and comment with pictures of you wearing the mask. That would be really great. And if possible, we can make more of these and distribute to our neighboring areas as well, and to people who might actually need it.